454 D Series Backwash Valve Rebuild. Remove upper actuator can. Remove diaphragm. Remove piston cup. Remove lower actuator can, all 3 1/4-inch bolts. Remove grease fitting. Remove cotter pin from hex nut on inside of the valve casting. Remove hex nut from valve shaft. Remove valve shaft. Remove valve seal retainer, valve seal, and valve seal reinforcing plate. Remove brass bushing from outside of the valve casting. Inspect interior surfaces of valve. Install brass bushing from outside of the valve casting. Utilize the included drill bit and 1/4 by 28-inch tap to drill and tap the brass bushing. Apply Loctite to threads of grease fitting. The grease fitting retains the bushing in place. Install valve shaft. Install valve seal retainer, valve seal, and valve seal reinforcing plate. Install hex nut on valve shaft. Install cotter pin on hex nut inside of the valve casting. Install lower actuator can, all 3 1/4-inch bolts. Slot must face in downward position. Install piston cup. Apply Loctite on piston cup bolt and install. Install diaphragm so the fabric side faces down toward the piston cup, being cautious not to tear or cut the rubber material. Align upper actuator can so welded fitting is at the top. Install upper actuator can, all 8 1/4-inch bolts.